Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to crochet a simple half double crochet stitch shoulder bag with a crochet doily. This is very simple and easy crochet bag. As you can see, it is made of simple half double crochet stitch and these single crochet stitch straps. So this is very simple and easy. If you want to learn how to crochet a shoulder bag, stay connected. So friends, for this project I am using a 5mm crochet hook and a 3-ply cotton yarn. To begin, first of all wrap the yarn around your fingers like this and make a slip knot with the help of crochet hook. After making slip knot, make your base chain according to your desired length. You can make even or odd number of chain. I am going to make 48 base chain. You can make less or more according to your required size. So simply complete your 48 base chain. So friends, I have completed my 48 base chain. After completing your base chain, start your first row with chain 1. After making chain 1, wrap the yarn. Go into the second chain from the hook, which is our 48 chain, and pull the yarn. We have 3 loops upon our hook. Pull through all 3 loops. This is our first half double crochet stitch. Go into the same chain again and make half double crochet 2. Go into the same chain again and make half double crochet stitch 3. Go into the same chain again and make half double crochet 4. Go into the same chain again and make half double crochet 5. Go into the same chain and make half double crochet 6. So we are making 6 half double crochet stitch increased for our base. After making 6 half double crochet stitches to our first chain, go into the second chain and make half double crochet 1. Go into the next chain and make half double crochet 2. Go into the next chain and make half double crochet stitch 3. Go into the next chain and make half double crochet 4, and simply make 1 half double crochet stitch into every chain like this till the end of the row, till second last chain. So friends, I have completed my half double crochet stitch row. Now go into this last chain and make 6 half double crochet stitches as we have done to our first stitch. Half double crochet stitch 3, half double crochet stitch 4, half double crochet stitch 5, and half double crochet stitch 6. After making 6 half double crochet stitches, go into the opposite side of our chain and make half double crochet 1. Go into the next chain and make half double crochet 2. Keep starting yarn tail between your stitches. Go into the next chain and make half double crochet stitch 3. Go into the next chain and make half double crochet stitch 4. Go into the next chain and make half double crochet stitch 5. Continue making your half double crochet stitches like this till the end of the row to the opposite side. So friends, I have completed my half double crochet stitch. Now go into this first half double crochet stitch and make a slip stitch to finish your row. So this is our base for the bag. Now after making this base, we will simply make half double crochet stitch rows till the required length without any increase. So chain 1, go into this first half double crochet stitch and make half double crochet stitch 1, go into the second and make half double crochet stitch 2, go into the third and make half double crochet stitch 3, go into the fourth and make half double crochet stitch 4, go into the next and make half double crochet stitch 5, go into the next and make half double crochet stitch 6, go into the next and make half double crochet stitch 7, go into the next and make half double crochet stitch 8. So simply make one half double crochet stitch into every stitch and complete your row by repeating the same sequence of one half double crochet stitch into every stitch till the end. So friends, I have completed my second row. Now make a slip stitch to first half double crochet stitch, and for the third row again make chain 1, go into the same first half double crochet stitch and make half double crochet stitch 1, go into the next and make half double crochet stitch 2, half double crochet stitch 3, half double crochet stitch 4, half double crochet stitch 5, half double crochet stitch 6, half double crochet stitch 7, half double crochet stitch 8. So continue making one half double crochet stitch into every stitch. And after completing your third row, repeat this row again and again till the desired length of the bag. I have completed my required length and I have added stitch markers for the straps. Skip 29 half double crochet stitches for the front side and 29 for the back side, and skip 28 and 28 half double crochet stitches for both sides. Now we are going to work for the straps. So for the straps, first of all take a yarn tail and make a slip knot. After making a slip knot, go into any of stitch of the stitch marker of one side and make a single crochet stitch by pulling the yarn and pulling through 2 loops. Now go into the next second stitch and make single crochet 2. Take starting yarn tail between your stitches and make one single crochet stitch into every stitch like this, and repeat this sequence till the end of the second stitch marker. So I have made total 27 single crochet stitches. Now remove this stitch marker and make last 28 single crochet stitch. After completing 28 single crochet stitches, make chains for your strap. You can make any number of chains according to your desired length for strap. So friends, I have completed my chain. After completing your chain, make sure there is no twist in your chain and go into this stitch of the stitch marker and remove this stitch marker. I have skipped the central 29 half double crochet stitches. Now make half double single crochet 1, 2, 3 and complete till the second stitch marker, and after completing it make your chain for the second strap, same number of chain as for the first strap. After completing your chains, make a slip stitch to the first single crochet stitch, and to begin the second row make chain 1 and make single crochet 1 into the first single crochet stitch, go into the second single crochet stitch and make single crochet 2, go into the third and make single crochet 3, go into the fourth and make single crochet 4, and repeat this same sequence of 1 single crochet stitch into every stitch and complete 28 single crochet stitches. After completing 28 single crochet stitches, go into this chain, loop and back side ridge and make single crochet 1, go into the second chain and make single crochet 2, go into the third chain and make single crochet 3, go into the fourth chain and make single crochet 4, go into the fifth chain and make single crochet 5. Continue making single crochet stitches into every chain like this, and repeat this sequence till the end of the last chain, and then make 28 single crochet stitches and then repeat the same sequence to the second chain strap and make another row by repeating the same sequence. So I have completed 2 single crochet rows. After completing, I have cutted the extra yarn. After cutting the extra yarn, weave this yarn end with the help of needle to some backside stitches to secure your work. So go into this first single crochet stitch and go into the back loop of last single crochet stitch for a fine ending, and then go into any back loop and make a knot first to secure your work. After making knot, weave your extra yarn to some backside stitches. You can make 2 knots for more secure work. After weaving this to some backside stitches like this, cut the extra yarn. Now add a crochet doily to the front side to decorate your bag. You can even use 3D crochet flowers. Tutorial for this doily is available in the description box. If you want to add a crochet doily like this, you can visit tutorial video from the link available in the description box. I am going to add a button to decorate it. So first of all, weave this button and then join this central double crochet stitches and then join this single crochet stitches from here, and then this last single crochet stitches point with the help of needle and yarn. So first of all join from here and then join these single crochet stitches from here, and then these shell stitches of single crochet stitches from here. So join these from 3 parts. So friends, I have completed my shoulder bag. I have joined this crochet doily, as you can see. So this is a very beautiful and retractable, beginner friendly shoulder bag. If you like this tutorial, please give it a try. If you have any question about this project, please ask in the comment section. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Remember me in prayers. Bye.